We're the Nolans, Bob and Linda, and we live in Trilogy at Vistancia.
When we first moved into Trilogy, Arizona Rainfall seemed to be doing most of the construction work, so we were very familiar with them, and that's how we chose them actually in the beginning to do our courtyard area.
I thought they did a fabulous job on the design of our pool.
We're outside every night, every night.
We used to sit in our old patio, we'd always sit in under the cover. But now we like our fire pit so much, we sit out there and, we love it. The blue glass, I think that's my favorite of all. So every night, it's just gorgeous, it just glows.
The glass tile is one of the things that we were just really excited about. Had no idea how this was gonna look, but after they put it in, I said, that's perfect, couldn't have done it better.
And we've had friends that have come and they're like, that's the best.
If someone is considering using Arizona Rainfall, I think the one most important thing is to realize that they are reliable, and if they promise to do something, they do it.
They couldn't have been any nicer. They couldn't have been any more helpful whenever we had a question or came up with different ideas on the landscaping. We just trusted them.